Hi, I'm Chuck from the Rocketeer.
And I'm Aidan from AeroDragon Labs.
Today we are going to test the largest rocket motor that I have built today. This is a 75 millimeter sorbitol sugar rocket motor, and we are going to test it on a stand that Aidan has built.
This is the stand that I built. It uses a combination of 2x4s and then some 3D prints and a PCB that I designed. It uses an ESP32 as the main computer to host a web interface that you can use to control the stand, plus some machined parts so that we can make a very, very sturdy test stand to static fire this thing. Did it live up to your expectations?
I sure hope so. It looked like it to me.
Yep, that's always good.
Made a lot of smoke.
It did make a lot of smoke. Chuck, you can feel the heat off of it.
Dude, it is still hot. Seriously.
Like, that's enough to roast a marshmallow almost.